Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on your laptop screen. So in order to zoom in on your laptop screen, the easiest way to access the magnifier is to use the Windows and plus buttons combination. So you have to press two buttons at once, Windows and plus, and once you press them both at the same time, you will enter the magnifier mode. And as you can see, everything is zoomed in right now. The full screen magnifier turned on, and using this plus and minus buttons on the bar, you can increase or decrease the zoom level. Using these two icons, we can reset the zoom size, and now by pressing this button, we'll enable the reader, which will read the text from the screen, or will just tell us which screen we are currently at.
Recycle bin.
So we just read the name of the first icon on the screen. Now using this icon, we can select the particular element which we want to read.
Microsoft Edge.
In the settings menu, we can change the speed of the magnifier by moving the slider. We can also change the voice of the reader right here, and we can go to the settings for more options. Now we can also access the screen magnifier if we go to the click the start menu, then go to settings, then in settings select the accessibility options, scroll down to the magnifier option. Let me find it. Okay, right here. Open it, and then by switching this toggle, you can enable the screen magnifier. In the zoom level, you can change the zoom level of your magnifier, and you can also change the zoom increment right here. And in the view menu, you can change the most important settings for each magnifier. If you expand this list, you'll find that there are three available magnifiers. The first one is duct magnifier, which looks like this. The next one is the full screen, which we just seen. And the third option is the lens magnifier, which looks like this. And each magnifier has its own settings. So for example, let's check the settings for the duct magnifier as we started with it. Click on the view, and in the view menu you'll be able to see settings like have magnifier following my either mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or narrator cursor. You can check these checkboxes if you don't want, you uncheck these checkboxes if you don't want the magnifier follow one of those things. For example, if it doesn't follow the mouse pointer, then the magnifier will look like this, will stop moving basically. Now in the full screen magnifier, we'll have all the same options, like so that magnifier follows your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrative cursor. Now you can also change the settings for your mouse pointer and text cursor. You can keep it either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. If you select centered on the screen, then the magnifier will look somewhat like this, and within the edges of the screen, magnifier looks somewhat like this. Now let's go to the lens magnifier and see what changes, what settings we can change here. Now for the lens magnifier, there is only one setting. Basically, we can move this slider to increase the height and the width of the magnifier to adjust it to our needs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.